Why? Yeah. Sorry. We can raise something else about non-nature. Our herbivores and carnivores and omnivores are ready to fight. Wait, hold on. Getting them home for our battle royal. Herbivores, carnivores versus omnivores. There we go. Okay, here we are. Here we are with our omnivores, herbivore, and carnivores. Let's see how we got. We have a spider, hydra macaw, chicken, and small Asian elephant, and jaguar. Who do you think would win? Okay, here it is. 3, 2, 1, fine. Fierce animals may have a common, but the macaw managed to escape, but it was too late. The jaguar killed the macaw. The fight is over, and bring it to the ground so it won't drown in the water. And the jaguar wins for our battles.